Hello, little robot. It's so cute.
Or dangerous.
He wants to help.
Slowly, robot.
Help, help, help. This is a plate. Plate. Plate.
The spoon!
Oh, no!
Buddy, stop!
This is the table. This is the floor. Floor table.
No, table, floor.
I am bread now.
It's okay.
Good robot.
You are learning.
Robot, open the fridge. Not that!
This is the fridge.
Fridge. Buddy, no.
He likes cold pizza.
This is milk. It is cold. This is milk. It is cold. Cold milk. Yes. Cold milk.
Careful, hot. Again? Clean, Arthur.
No, no, no! Buddy! He's learning fast. Very fast.
Good robot?
Yes.
Good robot?
This kitchen is crazy.
So messy.
It's okay. You are learning. You can help. Help kitchen?
Wow.
No soup on me?
He did it.
Good job, robot. Thank you. Happy kitchen.
Well? Almost clean.
Fridge. Fridge. Spoon.
Spoon!
Milk. Cold milk.
Now we have a question for you.
Which word you did not listen today?
Write your answer in the comments.
We want to see your answer.
Bye, robot.
Happy kitchen.